So I'm in the mood to paint something wicked. So I messed this area up, so that needs to get fixed. I'm probably gonna add a little more detail on the house, but this is no. Well, this is how this is looking. I don't know what I thought with this star. I'm honestly content with what's going on here, but I didn't realize I didn't know how to draw a star. That's why I was like, why is this coming out so ugly? So I think I'm just gonna paint it over. I'm thinking of adding a splash of orange, but I don't know yet. I want to see this first, but I'm definitely loving